let's check the suspension. Flashlight? Here, looks like a bent tie rod. Right, let's get the compression numbers. I'll log it. What's the compression spec? Should be 150 psi. Check the plugs too. Here's your payment, sir. $500. Thank you. This settles it. All confirmed on the tablet. All right, ease it up. Steady now. Got it. Coming up. Keep it straight. Almost there. Secured. Let's check the frame for rust. Right, the suspension looks worn. Agreed. Note the exhaust. See this hose? It's corroded. Yeah, manifold gasket might be next. Good call. Let's tighten this bolt. All right, lowering it in. Guide it steady. Got it. Aligning the mounts. Good. Now seat it and secure the bolts. Steady on that torch. The alignment is critical. Got it. Just keeping the heat even. Even pressure here. Got it. Looks clean. Good. Now the lower section. On it. This glaze really pops the blue. Looks great. New tires next? Yep. Sliding this one on now. Good fit. Let's clean the rims. Almost done.